Jai Hind student. Today let us we start the costing subject. Introduction of costing. Why the costing subject is introduced, or why the costing method is applied nowadays. So let me start with saying that costing is a younger brother of financial accounting. It means financial accounting is the elder brother of costing. So you know that always young generation is more smarter than old generation. Similar tactic. So as I said, costing is a younger brother. Definitely costing techniques, costing system of maintaining the accounts, standard of writing the books are definitely more smarter than the financial account. Of course, financial account is required and must, but but to minimize or to reduce the cost of production, cost of operation, cost of day-to-day activities. So costing techniques are must. Costing techniques are must. So before going to the detailed information of costing, definition of costing, features of costing, let us we start today's session to knowing what is financial account, what are the features of financial account, and demerits of financial account. Why? Because to overcome the demerits or disadvantages of financial account, this costing techniques is introduced. So one must know the meaning of financial account and features and disadvantages. So let us start with meaning of financial account. You know that financial account is a process of writing the accounts. Why we say process? It is a lengthy process, not only process. To writing or summarizing innumerable transactions. Why? Because every firm starts the financial activities or fresh activities start with 1st April of every financial year and ends with 31st March of the proceeding. It means what? It is a process of writing the accounts starting with 1st April and ends with 31st March of the proceeding. It is a period of 12 months. All activities, maybe daily, maybe weekly, routine, maybe in the form of capital, maybe in the form of revenue, whatever. We maintain the records day to day, but impact, reports and final statements is displayed at the end of the year. Please remember. Please remember. What? It is a process. It starts with bookkeeping and generally ends with balance sheet or ratio analysis. So it is a process. Bookkeeping, then journal entry, then ledger, then trial balance, then if it is concerned to trading account, trading firm, so trading account, then profit and loss account. If it is concerned to non-trading business, then receipt and payment, then P&L appropriation, then balance sheet. Balance sheet is a final statement. It is a final or a financial statement. So ends with bookkeeping and starts with bookkeeping and ends with financial statement, that is balance sheet. Getting my points? What is financial accounting? Financial accounting is the process of recording, summarizing and reporting innumerable of transactions resulting from business operation over a period of time, 12 months, 6 months, depend upon the transactions. These transactions are summarized in the preparation of financial statements, including the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement that record the company's operating performance over a period of time. So company's performance will be displayed or come to know after getting through the detailed information from the balance sheet. So generally you come to know that, or you might be understood that, if you know the company performance, we have to wait until the balance sheet is to be prepared. Suppose we invested 1 rupee at the first April. So 1 rupee report we will be get at the end of the year. So we have to wait certain or specific period of time. So at the end we came to know whether the firm is profit. If it is profit, how much is the profit? If it is loss, then why the loss is occurred? But to know why the loss is occurred, we have to wait for full period of time, maybe 12 months. Getting? So what are the features of financial account? You may say it is a systematic record of innumerable of transactions. Number one. Financial accounts have many stages. Financial account is a historical one. Please remember this point. Whatever transactions happen, first transactions, then writing. All past transactions, actually financial account used to write, historical nature. Through financial account, we can prepare, with the help of financial account, we can prepare income statement, cash flow statement, funds flow statement. So financial account displays the company's position in the form of balance sheet. So you may say balance sheet is a mirror of the company. Balance sheet is a mirror of the company. So with the help of the balance sheet, every company know that whether we are in the profit or whether we are in the loss phase. Loss phase. So this is also one of the feature of the financial account. So what are the demerits that we call limitations? Limitations of financial accounting. Why we study the limitation of financial accounting? Because to resolve the limitation or demerits or disadvantages of financial accounting, costing technique is introduced. Costing technique is introduced. समझ में आ रहा है? What is the job of younger brother? Who is younger brother? Cost accounting. To solve the disadvantages of elder brother. Very simple. Isn't it? So what are the disadvantages? Number one, financial accounting, no clear idea of operating efficiency. Financial accounting does not disclose the clear idea of operating efficiency. Financial accounting is a collective in results. Financial accounting not helpful in the price fixation. No classification of expenses and account. No data of comparison and decision making. No control on cost. No standards to assess the performance. Provide only historical information. No analysis of losses. Inadequate information for reports. No answer for certain questions. So nearby 11 disadvantages I have mentioned here. Apart from these 11 disadvantages, again you may create some more disadvantages. But better this much you clear first. Later we can focus the remaining things. So first one, no clear idea of operating efficiency. Now I will explain the comparative study, how the first demerits is resolved in the costing system. Okay, this is a demerits. What generally financial account is not able to resolve the idea of operating efficiency. No clear idea of operating efficiency. See, operating efficiency in the next means what? One has to see whose operating efficiency is excellent, whose operating efficiency is standard, whose operating efficiency is poor. Suppose you have labor union or 100 laborers in your factory, or 2-3 firms are there and yours is head office. How you can fix the operating efficiency or calculate the operating efficiency of labor? Is it possible through financial account? So financial account generally what do? They will take the recruitment, they select the labor and go on paying the payment end of the month. Getting my points? Or whatever they purchase, they're not checking how much they are utilizing. If they utilize, what is the operating efficiency? how they kick far they are using. Actually, these are, the limitations in the first point. Here, financial accounting is fails to fix the operating efficiency of labors, operating efficiency of firm, operating efficiency of purchasing department, operating efficiency of sales department, operating efficiency of other related departments. Whereas to overcome this limitation, costing technique is introduced. So every limitation we have to connect why the costing technique is introduced. To overcome this limitation, cost accounting is introduced. So what? So cost account clearly mention or give the idea how a particular department, how a particular how a particular organization must fix the operating efficiency. These all can be resolved by using the costing techniques. Many techniques are there. Standard evaluation is there, optimum utilization of time is there. How the time is to be utilized in a proper way, idle time, effective time, standard time. Okay, many techniques are there. Labor efficiency, operating efficiency. So these are the techniques are available in cost account, whereas these techniques are not available in the financial account. Therefore, the costing technique is introduced. First point is clear. What is second one? What is the second limitation? Collective results. Collective results. And in cost account, creative results. See, very simple. I told in the beginning only, financial account writes the historical information. First, event, then writing. Means what? Collective results. Collective results. जो कोई भी होता है, ट्रांजैक्शन होता है, होने के बाद क्या करता है फाइनेंशियल अकाउंट? राइटिंग स्टार्ट होता है. फिर सेम पॉइंट इन कॉस्ट अकाउंट. कॉस्ट अकाउंट फर्स्ट फिक्स करता है कि ये काम कैसा करना है, हाउ द रिजल्ट शुड बी, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ रिजल्ट शुड बी, fixing the result, then working. Very simple. What cost account do? Cost account will fix the result, then start the work. See, this year, this much, output must be, yes, this much, unit must be produced. So fixing the result, then start the work. Very simple. To overcome this, so cost account is introduced. Third one, not helpful in the price fixation. Similar way, as a result is a historical, how it helps to fix the price. Generally price is to be fixed. How the price is to be fixed? MRP, maximum retail price. In maximum retail price, manufacturer has to be calculate primary cost, direct, indirect, operating cost, office cost, selling cost, then percentage of profit, then price fixation. Getting my point? Getting my point? But this process is not followed in financial account. फाइनेंशियल अकाउंट जो आया वो लिख के देता है, बस इतना खर्चा आया, सला टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट इज सो एंड सो. That also after spending total amount, that financial account is to write. Collective, historical. But whereas whereas in cost account totally helps to fix the price fixation. Primary cost, how much? Cost of work, how much? Cost of production, how much? Cost of selling, how much? Cost of price, how much? So selling price, how much? I can connect this point number 3 to point number 6. Because of this clearly mentioned steps-wise cost, we can control the cost also, whereas financial account fails. But we can easily overcome these limitations with the help of costing techniques. If primary cost is this much, why this much? Why not we reduce? Is it possible to reduce? Reduce it. What are the reasons why? Because of those reasons the cost reaches up to the level. So here cost account observes minute by minute, day by day, worker to worker, machine to machine, factory to factory, hour to hour, month to month, and then give the result. Very simple. But this is fails in the financial account. And even no classification of expenses and accounts. Here total cost of the year, sometimes maybe possibilities are there, capital expenditures are there, revenue expenditure are there, but in capital for specific head is not mentioned. In revenue a specific head is not mentioned. Labor wise not mentioned, machine wise not mentioned, factory wise not mentioned. Getting? So here financial account fails to classify the expenses and accounts, whereas in cost account clearly classification of expenses and account is possible. Therefore costing technique is introduced. As the no classification in the financial account, no data comparison, no decision making, whereas clear picture is mentioned. Because of the clear title, clear picture, clear classification, one can be compared easily. What is the last lot cost of the primary? What is the second lot primary cost? If you go through the only primary cost with a comparative statement, we came to know if it is increased or decreased when we compare with the previous lot and current lot. Easily one can know. But such type of classifications are not possible in the financial account. Can we move next? Can we move next? Now next is no standards to assess the performance. There is no instrument to check the performance of the workers, performance of the officers, performance of the standard of utilization, performance of the quality of executive officers. Financial account fails to utilize this instrument. Demerits of this finance. But whereas in cost account, n number of instruments are there to check the performance or to assess the performance or to fix the standard level, n number of activities are there. See, provide only historical information. Beginning only I told it. Past is transactions they used to write. No analysis of losses. Why loss is there? Simply they display the loss. Whereas in cost account, why this loss is happen? What are the reasons to occur this loss? If it is profit, what are the reasons to occur this profit? So clear cut informations are available in cost, whereas financial accountant fails to prepare. Inadequate information of report because of the previous points, no clear idea, no classification, no standard, no performance. So inadequate information for report also in general title. No answer for certain questions. Why this is so? No answer. This is the system of writing the account. System only. No, you cannot ask. So this is a system of financial account. This is a system of cost account. Therefore, to overcome these all demerits, costing technique is introduced. Remaining part will be continued in my next slides, next class. Jai Hind, one and all.